Assalamu alaikum, class 4, day 16. Open your English B notebook. Prepare your page, write date, CW and day. After that, write lesson number 3, topic prepositions. Define preposition. Prepositions are words that show the relationship of a noun or a pronoun to another word in a sentence. For example, in, on, under, across, near, far, behind, with, from, over, above, below, up, down, etc. are preposition. Note down this definition in English B notebook. After that, open your grammar book. Grammar book, page number 13. Write date, CW and day on book. Look at the first picture. The baby is in the pram. In is preposition. The boy ran across the road. Across the street. Laura was playing with the doll. The crow drank water from the jug. The words in, from, across, with and from are examples of prepositions. Prepositions are words that show the relationship of a noun or a pronoun to another word in a sentence. Let us do this exercise. Read the sentence below and find the preposition and circle it. Circle them or you can underline them. The kite was flying in the sky. In is preposition. The birds flew across the lake. He sat on the horse and rode away. Circle on. There was a chair between two tables. The naughty boy hid behind the bushes. Circle behind. Turn your page. Page number 14. Again write date, CW and day. Fill the blanks with a suitable preposition from the choices given in the brackets. Here are two choices with each sentence. The school gives a holiday dash Dependence Day. At Dependence Day or on? On. Write on, put tick here and write on here. Benji has gone with a week or for a week. For a week. Put tick and write here. I'm writing a letter to my teacher. Right. Put tick on. Which letter comes between P and R? Between P and R. Q. Okay, look at the picture, the answer, then answer the question given against each in your book. Where is the dog sleeping? Look, the dog is sleeping. Dash the bush. In the bush. Right in here. Where is the snake go? The snake went into its hole. Right into here. Where is Blender dancing? Blender is dancing on the stage. What is Brad doing? Look at the picture. Brad is playing with his dog. With. Okay, to the next page.